Assalamu alaikum, me Bilal. Today I am going to solve question number 7 and 8 of our book D2 7th edition, chapter 1, and the chapter name is direct and inverse proportion. So if in my previous videos I have solved question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 of our book, so you can see that video so that you will understand it very clearly. Okay. So today I am going to solve question number 7, and the question says that y is inversely proportional. So that means y is inversely proportional to 1 over x. Okay, now we know that to remove the proportionality sign we introduce k as my constant and over x. So this would be y equal to k over x. Now they have given us some information to find k. They have asking us that y equal to 100 when x equal to 10. Okay, I know you can see it very properly. So instead of y I would put 100 equal to k, and instead of x I would put 10. So now this 100 and this 10 is dividing. When I shift it to the other hand side, it would be multiplied equal to k. So now let's do it by calculator. 100 multiplied by 10, it would be 1000. So k equal to 1000. I am using calculator. Okay, so now let's erase it. Now I'm going to do it over here in test bars. Okay, now connecting equation would be 1000, because in the 1000 there are 3 zeros. Okay, over x, because k I find and that is equal to 1000. Now I'm going to solve remaining of the parts. I've found out the connecting equation. Now I'm going to they are asking us in the first part. They are asking us that, okay, let me do it over here. Now in the first part they are asking us that their x की वैल्यू मालूम करें. No, y की वैल्यू मालूम करें. Okay, let me write it neatly. Okay, y equal to 1000 over x. Now they are asking us, friends, in the first part to find y when x equal to 5. Okay, so this is the my first part of the question. Okay, so now y equal to 1000, because I have to find, and x I have given that is equal to 5. Now 5 ones are 5 twos are, so this would be y equal to 200. Okay, so that is my answer. Now let's come to the second part over here. Okay, now the second part they are asking us that x की वैल्यू मालूम करें जबकि when. Now I'm going to erase it because there is no enough space left. So I'm going to erase it, and now I'm going to solve the second part, and now I'm going to move to the question number 8. Okay, let me erase it very quickly. Now connecting equation is y equal to 1000 over x, and now they are asking us that we have to find x when y equal to 80. Okay, so this is the second part. Now instead of y I will write 80 equal to 1000, and remember one thing, in the 1000 there are 3 zeros. Okay, over x. Now 80, now this x is dividing, and when x it would be 80x equal to 1000, and now x को हमें अकेला छोड़ना है. 1000 ये 80 इधर मल्टीप्लाई है, इधर आएगा डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ दिस वुड बी 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are. This would be x equal to 25 over 2. You can write it as it is, or you can write it in this way also. 12 whole 1 over 2, or 12.5. Both of the answers look exactly same. Okay, 1 upon 2 is equal to 12, 0.5. So you can write it in this way also. Now I am going to solve question number 8. So keep watching my videos and please don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so now let's move to the question number 8. I hope you understand question number 7. It is very easy. Question number 8. Now in the question number 8, friends, they are asking us that y is inversely proportional to square root of x. Okay, so now I know that to remove the proportionality sign and to do k and over x. Okay, now they are asking us that y equal to 5 and when x equal to 16. They have given us these informations to find k. Okay, now when I found k, I will substitute the values over here. So I found it my given data. So instead of y I put 5 and k I have to find, so if it remain it, I put it as it is, and now instead of x I put 16. Okay, 5 equal to k, and we know that 16 is a square of 4 because 4 4s are 16 is equal. Okay, now 5, this 4 is dividing, and when I shift it to the other hand side, equal to k, 5 4s are 20 equal to k. So I have found out my k, which is equal to 20. Now what would be my connecting equation? My connecting equation would be 20 over square root of x. Okay, so this is my connecting equation. Now I'm going to erase it because I don't have enough space to solve. So I'm going to erase it. Now I'm going to solve the remaining parts of question number 8. Now I found out the connecting equation. If you can pause it and take a screenshot of it, no issue. Okay, now let's solve the part 2, because in the part 1 they are asking us that an equation connecting x and y. So this is my connecting equation. Okay, now let's move to part number 2. And now the part number 2 they are asking us that y हमें मालूम करना है और x हमें दिया है 100. ओके, अभी तक मुझे सब क्वेश्चंस में ये सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ेदार क्वेश्चन लगा है. 20 over square root of x. Now y I have to find, so I remain y as it is, 20 over, and instead of this x I will write 100. Okay, friends. So now I know that 20 and 100 is the square of 10. 10 tens are 100. Okay, 10. Now 10 ones are 10 twos are. So y equal to 2. Okay, now they are asking us in the third part that find the value of x. हमें x की वैल्यू मालूम करनी है. जो चीज़ भी हमें जबरा में मालूम करनी होती है वो चीज़ को हम अननोन लाइट कर लेते हैं डिफरेंट अल्फ़ाबेट से, लाइक A, P, C, D. Okay, so let me write the connecting equation. 20 over square root of x. Now y I have to find. Okay, let me erase it. Okay, let me erase it. Okay, now they are asking us we have to find the value. No, x की वैल्यू हमें मालूम करनी है और y कितना है, 4 है. Okay, so let me write the connecting equation again. Make the habit of writing the connecting equation and again, so it would be easy for you to solve the question. Okay, now instead of y I would place 4 to equal to 20 over square root of x, because I have x have to find. Okay, so 4 over, because I bring this over here, this is dividing, and when I shift it to the side, multiply equal to x. Now I have to read the square root of x alone. So what I do here, watch it very carefully. Okay, 20, and now this 4 is multiplying. When I shift it to the other hand side, would be to divide. 4 ones are 4 5s are, so it would be a square root of x equal to 5. अब इधर से देखें, अब हमें तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स मालूम करना है, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड कर लेता हूँ. जब भी यहाँ स्क्वायर है, क्योंकि स्क्वायर छुपा हुआ होता है ना, निकलता नहीं है, तो ये स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट आपस में कैंसिल हो जाते हैं. एक्स इक्वल टू इसके ऊपर स्क्वायर आ जाएगा, इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर, and we know that x equal to 5 multiplied by 5, which will be x equal to 25. So I have solved till question number 8. Now in my next video I'm going to solve intermediate level question number 9 and question number 10. Now I have solved question number 7 and 8. ओके सो प्लीज़ कीप सब्सक्राइबिंग, लाइक शेयर करा करें मेरी वीडियोस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. ओके सो अभी मैंने यहाँ तक कर दिया. नाउ इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियोस आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 and 10. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.